we have 26 letters. How many letters we have? 26. First letter A. And each letter has its unique sound. So in phonics, we learn the sounds of these all letters. Okay kids? So let's start. So kids, today we will learn only one letter sound, that is A. A sounds as A. A sounds as A. How to make the sound of A? As if you are holding an apple in your hand, and how you will open your mouth to have an apple? A. The mouth will open in this way. A. ಎ ಅಕ್ಷರ ನಾವು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಶಬ್ದದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಅಂತಂದು ಉಚ್ಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಎ ಹೇಗೆ ಉಚ್ಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಶಬ್ದದಲ್ಲಿ? ಆ ಅಂತಂದು. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಶಬ್ದದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಈ ರೂಲು ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Yes children, now I am going to show you something interesting. A. 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 Apple. A. Apple. A. Ant. A. Ant. A. Alligator. A. Alligator. A. Arrow. A. Arrow. Hope kids, you must have understood the sound of letter A. 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 And practice it and see you in next video. Bye.